Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Kwilterkris. My name is Kristen and I'm so glad you're here. So today what we're going to do is an unboxing. In addition to sewing quilts, I also like to sew bags. And I just recently got an order in for some vinyl that I had purchased and I'm so excited to share it with you. So stay with me. I'll talk for a minute about using your domestic with the vinyl, and I'll show you the foot that I use on my Bernina when I do use my domestic to sew vinyl. And then I'll show you the vinyl, and it'll be great. So thanks so much for watching. Hey y'all. So I wanted to share a new package I got. So in addition to making quilts, I also like to make bags. And about a year or so ago, maybe almost 2 years now, I purchased an industrial machine, and so I sew a lot with vinyl. I will say that you can use a domestic machine to sew vinyl if it's not too thick. I haven't tested any of these types of vinyls with my domestic. I do sometimes sew on my domestic. I have a Teflon foot here for my Bernina, so I can sew it on there. But mostly I use my industrial. But I know that some people do like my bags, and I have shared some of my bags that I've made on my YouTube shorts. You can go and check those out. But this is a new box of vinyl that I got. This is from Itchin to Get Stitching, and they have just I'm not paid to endorse them or anything like that, but they have the most fun designs. So let's open this up. What did we get? So this is first up, and it's in a bag. We'll untie the knot. This fun plaid. It's like a fall plaid. It's a black and like a golden yellow and a little bit of red. I think this is the small. It's a small version. The print, like you can get the print small, medium, or large. This was also her ready to ship. So with vinyl, a lot of times they do it as a pre-order. So you order what you would like in advance. They send it to the printer. It takes about 8 to 12 weeks for you to get it back. Itchin to Get Stitchin does do pre-orders too, but this was ready to ship, and I think it's been about a week, maybe a week and a half. Anyway, so this pretty plaid, it's a smooth vinyl. This is Woodland Characters. Let me see how she has it named. Forest Buddies, Maine. So this is like Bambi, the raccoon from Pocahontas, Flower, all those fun ones. So that'll be cute. This would probably go well with a brown. And just so you know, these rolls, they're between 18, this one's 18 inches long, and 12. And depending on the length and whether she's having a sale or not, they're about $18 to $22 a roll. So this one's tied with a ribbon, so I'm just going to cut off the top. So first, this is a really pretty floral with the flowers are pink and the background's like a turquoise, and then those yellow flowers. A close up. So that's really fun. These are bears that love to care. So I'll show that to you. Very cute. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we've got this one up next. Also 18-inch rolls. So this first one, it's a really pretty black background with pink roses. And this is a fun one. I debated on this one, but I really liked it, so I got it. This is like Roger Rabbit. The way the design is, it's almost like a panel. But yeah, that's really fun. We've got this next up, 18-inch and a 12-inch. This one is everyone's favorite nanny that flies. This is a fun one. It's a textured vinyl. It is everyone's favorite mystery gang. Let's see what else we have in here. This one is the 100-Acre Wood from Winnie the Pooh. It's a very smooth, soft vinyl. This is a bright, textured one. I feel like this would be great for making teachers' gifts, the pretty colored pencils. This is just a swirl. It has like peachy pinks, kind of oranges, turquoise. This one is everyone's favorite indigenous young lady. This is more of those adorable bears that care. And these are just those favorite characters from the 80s. This is what our favorite princesses were. And this is just an adorable pink, blue, yellow pastel plaid. And then finally, I had a coupon. So with that coupon, she sent me a free roll of vinyl and some hardware. She sent me one full set of hardware. It looks to be 1.5 inch. And then this very bright pink vinyl that matches it. Yeah, so thank you. That's all. The box is empty. Thank you so much for watching. Hi all. Thanks so much for watching. If you watched it to the end, I am so thankful. In addition, if you got anything out of this video or you liked it, feel free to hit like, subscribe, share the video. I would love to hear about you. Do you ever make bags? Have you ever sewn with vinyl? I'd love to hear your questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye now.